This drug epidemic and pharmaceutical epidemic in America has to go and let Johnny take over.
At 80% recovery, that's very significant.
The holistic sanctuary can save millions.
This place has saved my life. I will not die a junkie.
I was always a skeptic. I did not believe this at all.
Johnny did in 10 days what 10 rehabs couldn't do.
Johnny the healer can heal anyone.
I'm here with my dad, my brother, my cousin.
My mom, my sister, and my aunt came here. They don't even do drugs.
I've been cured from heroin addiction. I've been cured from PTSD.
And I was close to suicidal and just about to give up.
PTSD, depression.
And my depression, I feel great. 1 to 10, 11.
I didn't know what I was getting into, and it gave me more than I could ever want.
Most amazing experience I've ever witnessed in my life.
You come here and you will have an experience like you've never experienced in your life.
And people don't know until they actually come here and experience it.
You walked through the doors and they embraced you with their understanding, their love, no judgment.
Johnny the healer has developed his plant medicine, his Pouillon method, which he has perfected.
What Johnny's doing is on a whole different level.
They use plant medicine, they use 80% raw food, non-GMO, organic diet, no drugs, just plants.
It's proven, it's tried, and it works.
He's got top-notch doctors.
They make sure your liver's okay. They run blood tests, and then they hook you up to Johnny's amazing IV therapy. It replenishes your whole body almost immediately.
It's legit.
The dopamine receptors in your brain are reset. There's no medication in the world that can do that.
Reset him back to his pre-addictive state. This treatment is a miracle.
When I start to give you the medicine tonight, you're going to start to feel the medicine going through your brain and clearing blockages, things that shouldn't be there. Traumatic experiences are going to be dislodged from your brain, from your memory. You're going to have an out-of-body experience. So a lot of people say that heroin is almost like they're possessed. We're going to do an exorcism.
I literally felt like demons coming out of my body.
It was like tearing this demon off of me.
I did see the demon come out of him.
This feeling of something being removed.
Like, oh my God!
It just finally coming out.
I felt it tooth and nail hanging onto me.
It gave me such freedom.
I came here because I was told that this was gonna make me feel like before I used. It made me feel better.
1 out of 10, where's your withdrawals at right now?
0.
No withdrawals.
There's no withdrawals, there's no pain, and when you're done, there are no cravings.
It also prevents the urge to use again. That is key.
When it's over, you could smell better, hear better, see better.
When I put my feet on the ground, it was literally like I walked for the first time.
It's amazing. Best experience of my life.
I mean, I've been to 20 rehabs before, and I've never ever felt this clean.
Like a rebirth, completely reborn.
I'm 45. I feel 18.
With Johnny's Pouillon method, it takes you to another level.
It's healing people of addictions at a rate so much faster than doctors in America.
The holistic sanctuary makes doctors like drug dealers.
He's like a spirit, an amazing angel.
At one point I opened my eyes and I saw the palm trees behind Johnny and they turned into like these big giant wings. I just felt like he was a true angel.
It's a heaven. And that man, Johnny the healer, is a godsend.
He has this aura about him. It's like a light.
You've seen all the miracles that John the healer has done.
You're really doing God's work.
He's 1 in a billion great healers, and Johnny for sure is that.
Johnny is the connection to God.
I could feel energy waves just going over me, and it was him doing that. Johnny himself is a shaman.
Johnny's the real deal.
They told me I am a hopeless case. Everybody was wrong. I'm cured.
I feel like I've been given a second chance at the life I was meant to live.
This plant medicine at the Holistic Sanctuary is the answer.
Pouillon method is the cure, the only cure.
Recovery, I'm cured.
Johnny is a true healer.
He turned my life around, and I just got blessed.
It saved me. It saved my soul.
This place saved my life.